Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel, and I know you guys haven't been seeing any content for like months now, for a good while. Feels like years to me, you understand, but I'm here to tell you guys that I will no longer be gone anymore, cause what? Jnel is back. Yes, so your boy Jnel is back. Back with the content, back with videos, back with the content, back with videos, back. That kind of sound weird, but I'm back, peeps. I'm back. Jnel back. You know what I mean? Like Jnel back. I mean, you know. Alright, so as you guys know, I was away. You know, I was in Cayman Islands for a good while, for almost 3 months. So for those who didn't know, I was in Cayman Islands for a good while, for 3 months. I didn't have the time to do videos. I didn't have the time to do this. However, I started vlogging in Cayman Islands. You know, I did about probably like 3-4 vlogs, and then after that, I become extremely busy. You know, but I was there, you know, like couldn't put out no work, couldn't put out no content, and one day I just got mad and be like, yo, listen, I'm going back home, you know. I'm going back home. So I made up my mind to come back to Jamaica to do videos just for you guys, because you know that's what I love doing. On behalf of me and the crew, the whole Jnel comedy crew, we apologize for, you know, being gone so long, you know, not producing any contents for you guys. However, peeps, the break that we took, you understand, we're coming back with more content. Hold on. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we're coming back with more content, which is Tricky Question Season 2. It won't be just tricky questions, it will be like tricky questions mix, you know, like general knowledge and stuff like that, to make the show a bit more spicier. You understand? And we're actually coming back with comedy skits, because as the long time fans know, like we've been doing comedy skits from way back, from 2013, and me and my crew. You understand, where everybody was involved and stuff like that. You understand? But recently, we started doing the tricky question, which is last year, still recently. You understand? But the year go fast though. It's almost December already. In like 3 months, you get me? But we're coming back with comedy skits. We're looking forward to starting web series. You understand? I know you guys know all that. But however, to start, we're waiting on equipment. I'm supposed to get one equipment by this week. And for all of the fans, then we are wait for how long. I say, yo, how come Jnel them not put up a video? Walk on with Jnel them, because people see Bijah them. You understand? Nick, Rajae, Tomar, Buhn, you don't know, Asheem. People see everybody and I wonder, yo, what I want for the video them. You understand? But you know, I wasn't in Jamaica at the time. You understand? But now I'm back, you know, coming back bigger and better. And for all of the fans then we are cuss me, I say, yo, how comes you upload picture on Instagram and not put out no video and this and that? You understand? You guys can stop cuss me now. You understand? Because we're in a planning move right now. You don't know, we're in a planning mode to get things going, get things popping. So with season 2 of the questions, which is tricky questions. Okay, so people request that they need to see the questions on screen. We're coming back with that. So we're actually sorting out a little thing to put on the screen with the question inside. But however, I won't put the answer, because I want you guys to guess while watching. You understand? So while you're watching somebody guessing, you should be guessing. Like, you're not supposed to see the answer and be like, oh, the answer is right there. So there would be no answers. You understand? But there will be the question on the screen. And the other changes, as I said earlier, will be that it won't be just strictly tricky questions. It will be tricky questions with spelling. You understand? The man in bikes a lot. Yeah, with spelling and probably general knowledge. You know them mix up so it can be more spicy. On behalf of the Jnel comedy crew, you know, we promise that we can be putting out content. So to be honest, I won't be gone for like a long period of time again. So I'm back in Jamaica. You don't know, YouTube full time. People ask me if I work other than doing YouTube videos, and the answer is no, I don't work. You understand? I try to make as much time to put out content broaden the Jnel comedy brand. Yeah, Jnel comedy brand. Yeah, so basically that's the plan for now. Call for web series, you understand, more tricky questions and comedy skits. I don't think the comedy skits and the web series is this year. That's more likely next year, because you know that it's the end of the year already. It's better to start, you know, with a fresh year. So I want to thank you guys for patiently waiting on the whole Jnel comedy to come back, and we really appreciate your support for the years. Like, who subscribed to it from back then, like 4 or 5 years ago. Thank you guys for the support over the years. Thank you guys for waiting. You know, thank you guys for cussing. So I could look back and be like, yo, I need to go back to making videos. Even though I didn't quit, but you know, there was a long break. But thank you guys for reminding me that creating content is our thing. You understand? And trust me, we're back, and we're back to stay. So look out for plenty of contents through this year to next year to next year to next year, and look out for us doing big things. You understand? Because I'm actually thinking about broadening the whole brand, going into movies and stuff like that. But however, you know that it's not cheap, so we'll be working on that by next year. You understand? So there will be better content. So thank you guys for the support. You don't know your boy Jnel, and on behalf of the whole Jnel comedy crew, I want to thank you guys again for your tremendous support. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for waiting, as I said earlier. And you don't know your boy Jnel. I'm out. Oh, hold on, wait. So I did a lot of parodies back then. I think I did around 3 parodies. I should say a lot. We did parodies and stuff like that, and people comment that, yo, you should do music. And I'm like, yo, you know, I should do music, or maybe not. But I did music. You understand? There's a song now out. You understand? There's a single with me featuring Buhn and Bricks Gang called Jnel IG, which is an African type of vibe, you know, Jamaican, like a dancehall African hip-hop rap. Link will be in the description, so I'll put a piece of video at the end of this video. Yeah, at the end of this video, so you guys can check it out. But the full video, to see the full video, you have to click the link in the description, and make sure you guys like, share and subscribe, and make sure you share the song. You understand? So you don't know your boy Jnel. Thanks for watching. Coming back with the content, and out.
You're my baby, yo. Wine for me, not my baby, no. You're my baby, yo. Wine for me, not my baby, no.